Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand what are Java constructors. Sometimes it becomes a tedious task to initialize all the variables of the class every time an object is created. It would be much more comfortable to have all the setup done at the time of initialization of an object. This automatic initialization is performed in Java using constructors. A constructor is something that initializes objects immediately as they are created. It has some of the properties, that is, it has the name similar to that of the class in which it is created. It is called after the object is created and before the new operator completes. The constructor does not have a return type, not even void. This is because the return type of the constructor is a class type. Another thing is there are two types of constructors. One is default constructors and other is parameterized constructor. So let us see an example of a default constructor. This is a program of default constructor. Here the constructor is defined in the class which initializes the values of variable height and width by 5 units. In this program, the new box statement while creation of the object is calling the box constructor. Please note, when you do not define a constructor in a class, Java calls a default constructor which automatically initializes all the instance variables with values equals to 0. Please note, when you do not define a constructor in a class, Java calls a default constructor which automatically initializes all the instance variables with values equals to 0. Once you define your own constructor, the default constructor provided by the Java is no longer used. Coming to the parameterized constructor, in the previous example we have seen that while initializing a box object, all the parameters of the objects were initialized with similar values. Parameterized constructor, on the other hand, is used when a programmer wishes to add different parameters to the constructor. Let us consider another example. Consider this example of parameterized constructor. A box constructor is defined under the class box where the values of the instance variable are initialized with the values passed by the user while calling the constructor. Here, height and width instance variable of an object B is initialized by value 3 and 5. You can also create other objects and initialize their values as per your requirement. Thank you.